How does your company manage product data throughout the product's lifecycle? Is information available to everyone who needs it at the right time? Product design and engineering data is one of the most valuable assets for manufacturing companies. If that data is not utilized effectively and promptly, it can lead to quality issues, delayed decisions, inefficiency in operations, poor collaboration, increased costs, errors, and production delays, to name but a few. Sovelia Core ensures that the correct, up-to-date product information is available to everyone who needs it at the right time. With Sovelia, you can efficiently collaborate by sharing product data across your organization. You will operate more efficiently and make well-informed decisions based on up-to-date information. You can connect product data seamlessly to ERP, CRM, and other business-critical systems, bringing automation and decreasing repetitive and manual work into your daily operations. This leads to streamlined operations, reduced costs and delays, improved data quality, faster time to market, business scalability. Companies of all sizes will benefit from Sovelia Core. Sovelia Core is based on industry-standard workflows. Use out of the box or customize to suit your individual needs. Take control of your product data with Sovelia Core. Contact us today to learn more.